Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss on the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We'll be looking at some technical tools like what could be the trend for these two cryptocurrencies, the levels, and lot other things. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. All right, so this is the daily chart. And if you are looking at our the recent previous videos, so you must have seen, or you must have now by the time know that there is no momentum in the Bitcoin, and the price is after falling, and it's trading below than this particular support area, and the trend line, the price is somewhat stabilizing here. So it's not moving on either side, not it's going up, nor it's going down, right? So this is something, a situation where the price it's trading in a range. So the range levels could be, the resistance could be at 22,600 and support could be at 20,000 level. Now till the time we are not getting a very good momentum, we will not be sure where the price might go. But by looking at this whole setup, after this price, which is now trading below than this particular level, the support level, as well as this trend line level. So earlier this 22,600 was a support level. Now it became a resistance level. So now this level, and the price is trading below than this with very less volume. So we are not very sure where the price can go, and if let's say if the price or if the volume starts coming up, so we might able to see further fall in this particular cryptocurrency. So that again depends, because here also the price tried to close above than this 100 EMA, which again the Bitcoin failed for that. Now if you look at the Ethereum here, so for Ethereum, so Ethereum is basically showing some strength, some momentum, not much, but yes. Why I'm telling you? Because the price is still holding up this trend line level, this particular support area, as well as this 100 EMA. So this is a very strong indication. Also, if you look at the candles, however, the candles are a very small formation of a spinning top or something like that. But yes, we can see little bit more momentum towards the upside. Also, if you have seen our yesterday's video, so we were like getting an indication that the price might able to reach towards the resistance of 1725. So today, as of now, because the market is still open, but as of now the price has already reached to 1715. So that is the high which is currently today the price has already reached. So again we need to see where the price will close. So if the price close higher than this, that will be a good opportunity to enter again in this particular cryptocurrency, and if not, then again it will give us an idea that price might fall further. So this is a very crucial level, and for the Ethereum we can take a resistance at 1725, and we can take a support at 1510. So I think this is how you should look at to these two cryptocurrencies, and I think going forward, at least in the near term, in the short term, we'll be getting this kind of momentum only. So I hope you are liking this video. So please subscribe to the channel, like this video, hit the notification bell icon, and also share this video amongst your friends and family. So this is all from my side today. Thank you so much for watching us.